Hey everyone, Cody here with RSG Outdoors, and today my friend Justin and I are out catching some bait because we're going catfishing tomorrow. We're going to take our buddy Tyler out and hopefully get Tyler and Justin on a new PB Blue. We're going to pull some boards and stuff tomorrow, but we got to get bait first. Justin has already caught the first skipjack. I'm trying to catch a few more. There's Justin back there in all his glory.
Cody will be baiting me here in a minute.
Yeah, give me a second to start getting some lines in the water and I'll catch all the bait.
All the bait. He ain't never lied.
No. See how many we can get.
All right.
Whoop, there we go. All right, that's what we out here for. They're a little bit smaller than I would normally like, but we're getting some bait. We just wanted some good fresh stuff for our trip tomorrow.
Why are you in shorts and a t-shirt? Man, it's 120 degrees.
Go get him, go get him, go get him. That's a good one. That's a real good one. Pick it up. Keep the rod tip up, keep the rod tip up. Keep the rod tip up, 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 up. There you go.
Slow. Slow. Just keep pressure on by raising it and then reel down. Reel down slow.
And lift. There you go.
Lift up. There you go. Just slow.
Good job, man. Be a nice, pretty bloom, he thinks. Yeah, it's gonna be a good one.
Yeah, keep pressure on him, man.
He's putting a good bend in the rod. Oh, he blew bubbles. Oh yeah, good job.
There we go. Oh, get that ass in there.
There he is. New PB, Tyler.
Yep.
All right. Hang on, buddy. Hang on. 20. He's right at 22.
Nice. Not bad.
Not bad, man. Good job, Tyler. That's a new PB for Tyler. Don't lose the grips when you let him go. Down he goes. He's good.
I'll do that picture thing.
Get him, Justin. Get him, Justin. Get him, get him, get him, get him, get him. Reel. Yeah, we found another one. God, I hope I got that takedown. I didn't turn the camera back around because I'm retarded. I hope it got it. I think it did. Oh, that way. Oh, that one. There you go. Got him.
Yeah. He's not a record setter, you know, but
Hey, he's another solid fish.
absolutely.
Let's get him weighed.
He was weighing.
Oh yeah, he is.
He ain't gonna bust my PB.
It don't matter. He's party, by golly.
I mean, you're absolutely right.
Get that weight.
Gotcha.
What you got, Justin?
Oh man.
Is he a 10, 12?
13.
He's a 13? Okay.
Yep.
You look a little pudgier now. He might be a little bloated. Photograph the release. Yeah, hold on to him. Take him out. There you go. Lower him down. Let him do his thing. Let him swim off on his own. There he goes.
Pulling everything. And then. Yep.
Oh, got another one.
There you go. There you go. That's him. Good bang. Yeah, he's hooked. He's hooked. Oh, and he's running.
Yeah, I got a drag peeler.
Alright, now it's time to watch these other lines.
Oh, I think he was just, I think it's a striper. Ha!
Well,
A little bit, but another drag rod. You fight that Mad Cat's rod all day, baby. You ain't gonna beat it.
Nope.
Hey, Tyler, can you get that line there again?
Turtle.
Woo-hoo-hoo-hoo.
Yeah?
Yeah. Keep running.
Okay. I didn't hear him take a
Bubbles.
that time. Yeah, bubbles.
Bubbles, lots of bubbles.
That's a good sign.
That's catfish.
Yep, exactly.
That's a big catfish.
Yep. I'm waiting. I can't figure out which way he's pointing right now.
or more.
Oh, there he is.
Don't be anything, don't do anything stupid. Under his head,
Right.
under his head. Yeah! Whoa, that one's at least 40.
Yeah, he is. Never been up.
There he is. He's in the boat.
That is a beautiful fish, man.
It's a big old blue. Oh yeah. 41? 41.
Hey, man. Oh, yeah, he's a fighter, too. Look at that boy.
41 pounds, baby. Oh God. He's
Give him a
going,
little bit of water.
he's gonna break my wrist.
Yes, he is. That's what I'm saying. You give him a little bit of water,
He
man.
blew bubbles and stuff on the way up though, so he should be good.
Yeah. All them bubbles coming up.
There he goes.
That's when you said.
There goes one. Get him, Tyler. Get him, Tyler.
Keep pressure on him. Reel down, and then pull up. Reel down.
Reel. Give it some fast reels. Make sure that hook's in there. I got it.
Yep, got it. All right, go ahead and walk over here.
I think he might be a little bigger than you thought he was. A toad, maybe not, but. Oh, he's gonna be decent, man.
Decent, yeah, he's a decent fish, man. Well, what you talking about? He ain't very big. See, you trembling a little bit.
Tyler getting him one.
There you go. Yeah, just keep that.
Oh,
pressure
dude,
on him.
he's bigger than you
I was
think
about
he
to say,
is.
Keep that pressure on him. It's all right.
He's tied up in that other line.
Yep. It's all right.
Oh yeah. Oh yeah. Oh, he's not very big.
He's not very big. He's only fucking 25 pounds.
What is he, Tyler?
24.5.
24.5. All
Called it.
right.
25.
All right, now you can put grippers on him. Open him up. You can put your fingers in his mouth and hold on to him. Oh, never mind. He's like, I'm good. I don't need no help. Don't need no help. Down he goes. Good deal.
I'm about to say, hey.
Still plenty of time.
Yep, my wife's sleeping right now.
Hey, Justin.
Yep.
7, 6.
Yep, he's got it. He's got it. Go get him. Go get him. Get him. Get him. Get him. Reel, 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 reel. Reel, reel.
Over here, buddy.
Good one. Oh yeah. Oh yeah.
Oh yeah.
Don't force him too much now.
He's trying to fight a little bit. Oh, there he is.
There he is.
Oh, yeah.
Got him.
Get in there.
That boy, Jay.
Told you he had it.
I like it.
All right, we got Justin's fish here. Justin says 30. I think he's gonna be another one close to 40.
Yeah. We'll see.
We let him recover here in the net a little bit. He is spawned out. Justin, yeah, that's a heavy fish, bro.
Yeah?
Yeah.
Okay. Okay. He's a lot bigger than I thought he was.
Yeah, that's a heavy
He
fish.
definitely spawned out. Jesus Christ. All right.
What you got? Turned on yet?
Yeah.
Okay.
$41.
41.
Attaboy, Jay.
Make sure. Yep.
Yep. Another 41. Two 41-pound
Making
fish.
sure his tail was off. Woo. Yeah, baby.
Dude, he's long.
Yeah. He's gonna be a big fish. Sitting there burping.
Nip, nip, nip. Woo! I'd stick my hand in his mouth. Be good. Back
Swims
down
away.
to the depths,
Swims
baby.
away happy.
Well, this was a fun fishing trip until the wind shifted directions.
Yeah.
Turned our boat completely against the current. Now we've just repositioned all of our rods. I'm sorry if I'm shouting and you all can hear me because I can't hear myself.
I can't hear anything.
It's raining really hard, but we're catching fish, so it's worth it. We're gonna throw the Bimini top up.
Yes!
See if we can catch some more.
Or I can finish this wet t-shirt contest.
Yeah, I don't think it's gonna make much difference because,
Come in sideways.
yeah.
I'll just hide behind Tyler, man. He's like 8 feet tall.
Now, I hope everybody can see this. Got it on film here. Justin is hiding under the Bimini top cover because he forgot his rain gear.
Hey, man. I'm going to buy new rain gear and keeping it in your boat.
Oh, this is a bunch of McSuckin.
Yeah. And I think we're here for a little bit.
Yeah, considering the wind shifted.
Yeah, wind shifted. We can't see the land.
We're about to get screwed.
Land is gone. Land is not hoe. I don't know what the opposite of that is. The land is not hoe.
Hey, land. I think we're good, man. I think we caught all our fish we're gonna catch today.
You're talking about my shirt's not wet enough.
Bro,